Because of this Tajo technique, isang pair lang ako at a time. Hindi ako nagde-deviate ever since. Okay? Siguro kung meron 1%, 10% lang, 5% of the time sa 10 trades o sa 100 trades, may isa doon, dalawa na nagde-deviate ako. Pero as much as possible, one pair at a time. And ipapakita ko din later. I only trade low-risk pairs starting with Izanagi and just shadow yung mga low-risk pairs talaga based on backtesting. I'll show it to you the logic later. And ito pa yung isa kong filter. Not because kasi yung level 4, level 5, it's the basic thing. Since napag-aralan nyo na ngayon yung market dynamics and price action, dapat ine-evolve nyo pa more yung sarili nyo na not because it's level 5 enter ako. Yung level 5 will just be my filter. Filter ko na yan, level 5, nag-draw down siya ng 100 pips. Question, yung 100 pips ba, nasa support? Nasa resistance ba? Nasa FIBO ba? Malapit ba sa moving average? Kung check lahat yon, saka ako papasok ng 0.01 pa.